Hello children, most welcome to BM's physics lab. This is with the third experiment of 11th physics. So that is, we have to find out what is the volume of this beaker or capacity of this beaker using slide calipers. This is the topic today, and we have to start with the upper jaws. You see, this is your slide calipers, and these jaws are upper jaws, and you have to find out internal diameter with this upper jaws. Okay, so this is your internal diameter. Okay, now you can see how to measure it and fix it, getting it tight, and you just take it out. And now see what is the main scale reading and your vernier scale reading to find out the internal diameter of diameter of this beaker. So now internal, for first we have to use this calculation of internal diameter. Aim is to find out the volume of the given beaker using slide calipers. To find out the volume of the given beaker using slide calipers. So what to do is, first we have to see the calculation of the internal diameter D. So that internal diameter we have found, what is the 4.4. Your vernier 0 is just between 4.4 and 4.5. It means main scale reading you have to take 4.4 centimeter, because your vernier upper scale 0 is coinciding, is just between 4.4 and 4.5. That is why I have to take 4.4. Then some plus. That plus will be your VSR, vernier scale reading. Then 4.4 is your MSR. Then what is VSR? VSR is least count into vernier coincidence or vernier constant. That vernier coincidence or vernier constant is what? So we have to see which one of the vernier scale is coinciding exactly with the main scale reading. So first 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth one of your vernier scale is coinciding exactly. So vernier constant is 4, least count is 0.01 centimeter. So this will become 0.04 centimeter. So this is becoming your diameter, internal diameter, that is say for example small d equal to MSR plus VSR. MSR plus VSR equal to how much? MSR is 4.4 plus this is 0.04 equal to 4.44 centimeter. It is your internal diameter. Implies what is internal radius? 4.44 by 2. That is equal to 2.22 centimeter is your radius. 2.22 centimeter is the radius, means internal radius of the beaker, given beaker. Internal radius is 2.22. So then we have to find out what is the depth. What is the depth? So let us first put it in initial condition. That is, what is the initial condition? That is 0 must be with 0. 0 of MS main scale will be coinciding with the 0 of vernier scale, because it is not having any 0 error. So now you put this one in such a way that the needle will go down, and just it will touch the bottom of the beaker. Just it will touch. Till that you have to move it. Just you slide this one, you can see how it is going down. Now just it is tight. Now it is not moving further. So it is you have to find out what is the depth. So now you can see what is MSR. 7.1, just it is 7.1 after 7.1. So calculation of depth. Depth of beaker, that is H. So MSR is 7.1 centimeter, and the VSR is, formula is LC into VC, and we have to see what is VC. VC is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one, means fourth one of vernier scale is exactly coinciding with the main scale. So 4 is your VC, and least count is 0.01. That is equal to 0.04 centimeter is your vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading is 0.04 centimeter. So what is depth? Depth H equal to MSR plus VSR. MSR plus VSR. That is equal to, MSR is your 7.1 plus 0.04 centimeter. That is equal to 7.14 centimeter. This is your height. Height is, or height means our depth of beaker is this one. So what is volume of cylinder? Beaker means cylinder. Volume equal to pi r square h. Volume equal to pi r square h. So from this you have got r. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 2.22 square. Pi r square into h is 7.14. So this is itna cubic centimeter. This is your, after calculating this one, you can get what is volume. So this is all about the 3 experiments using slide calipers. That is in your syllabus. That first you have to find out what is the radius of cylinder, then volume of cylinder, then you find out radius or diameter of sphere and volume of sphere, then you find out volume of beaker. These 3 experiments we have completed with slide calipers. Thank you.